Good morning, everybody. Okay, just to give you a summary, there will be two groups that will be walking towards Andres Bonifacio site near City Hall. The first group will be coming from Binondo Church, San Lorenzo Luis Church. The second group will be coming from Petron, Damuele, Industrial Street, papunta doon sa Philippine-China Friendship Bridge. The first group also ganun din. Kung nalagi naman kami dito sa San Fernando, we both of us will pass by the new bridge, coming down dito sa may Bureau of Immigration, saka sa National Press Club. Then we all walk together, magsasalubungan kami doon, then we'll all walk together towards Padre Burgos and left turn sa City Hall. And there, as mentioned earlier, magkakaroon kami ng konting laying, may konting ceremonias. Then we will highlight our nationalistic pride. Dapat highlight natin na we are proud to be independent from our colonizers. We are proud to be here in this beautiful country, as mentioned by our president. And in this regard, we are calling on all of our Filipino friends, Filipino-Chinese friends to join us. As mentioned also, meron kami sa provinces, Palawan, Cebu, Tacloban, Bacolod. Meron pa nga tayong, Mr. President, as meron sinabi sa kahapon na sa our chapter in Cebu, Mandaue. They will do a tree planting. They're planning to plant ang 500 trees dun sa Cebu area just to highlight our national independence day. And pag puro daw kasi sabi nila, it will be forever. Sana hindi na patuloy na, it will be forever. Like our friendship, both our nationality and our ancestry here in the Philippines. Yun po. Thank you.